Recently, I've been having this dream about gigantic strawberry cupcakes next to the garden. They looked so good. I thought, I want to make some strawberry cupcakes. But if I have Bunky make strawberry cupcakes, they need to be good. So they need to have good ingredients, good strawberries. I need to make strawberry towers. To make strawberry towers, I use vinyl-coated fencing, straw, 15-23-10 fertilizer, potting soil, snips, and of course, strawberry plants. I used vinyl-coated fencing because the vinyl will prevent the cage from rusting or getting ruined. Plus, it looks really cool. We use straw because you do not want to use hay, because hay has a lot of grass seeds in it, and that will lead to a lot of weeds in with your strawberries. Now, have you ever wondered what those 3 numbers on the fertilizer bag are? I mean, why are they there and what do they mean? Well, the numbers stand for N, P, and K. K stands for potassium, N stands for nitrogen,
and P stands for phosphorus.
That is why we went with 15-23-10. It is high in nitrogen and phosphorus. This is helpful because the high nitrogen will help turn our straw into compost, which is good for our plants. The large amount of phosphorus is to help develop strong and healthy roots. We also use topsoil, but you can also use compost if you want. It works just as well. We also use these snips because, well, they're really good snips. We got our strawberry plants from Jung Seed Nursery in Wisconsin. The variety that we got are the sweeter kinds. We got Albion, which is an everbearing, and we got Cavendish, Honeyow, and Jewel, which are all June-bearing. We got 25 of each plant, and they sent an extra in case one plant dies. So we had enough strawberry plants to do 2 towers, no, the other kind of towers, with 12 plants around the perimeter, and 1 in the exact center. First, we will need to cut the 3-foot tall fencing into 12.5-foot sections using your snips. I chose 12.5-foot sections because I wanted to be able to reach the middle of the tower. That way, I can reach the strawberries in the middle. Well, 2 feet is a good distance to reach, and if I did 12.5 feet, that would leave me with a 2-foot radius. Perfect. Once we cut the 12.5-foot sections, roll them into a circle and weave the wire through the ends until it looks like this. We used the wire that came wrapped around the fencing. Now you need to fill the cage with straw. First, fill it with 2 bales of straw. Now, for the fertilizer, sprinkle 2 cups of fertilizer and water down. Let that sit for maybe about a week. Then settle it and add half a bale. Now for the dirt. Add dirt to the perimeter of the cage and a shovelful in the center. I had my dad do the dirt because being that he's taller, it's easier for him to do it. Yeah, I know, I'm short. Now we need to dig a nice big hole down from the dirt into the straw, enough to fit the roots of your plant all the way down so that the roots and the stem are all the way covered. Only the crown should be above the dirt. The crown is the very tip and is normally circular shaped. Once the strawberry is in, bury the plant all the way up to the crown. Now you will need to water the strawberries. Water each tower for about a minute. Now they're done. Water them the same way once every day and eventually you will have strawberries. And strawberries lead to strawberry cupcakes. The materials you need to make 1 tower is 12.5 feet of 3-foot high vinyl coated fencing, wire, 13 strawberry plants, 2 cups of fertilizer, 2.5 bales of straw, and a half a wagon full of dirt. Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thanks!